29 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
It's not easy to get things in order when you have a room full of random stuff and no ideal way to store them. My storage room or even laundry room is full of random things like extra packets of food, plant soil, shoes and other assorted items. Keeping this one neat and tidy is a bit of a challenge. The easiest place to start if you're unsure of what to do is to clear out everything that can be seen from the front. Doing this one item at a time will help you gauge how much space you have and how much decluttering you need to do. My first idea and tip for organizing any space will always be to consider keeping the same things but in a tidy manner. Sometimes a space just needs minor reordering and adjustment of the items and nothing more. This tension rod will provide additional room to hang lighter objects. Use this in any spare room you may have in your house. They allow even a little area to be effectively utilized.
A projection of my old life faded. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more.
I keep all of my extra kitchen towels, tissue rolls, shopping bags and umbrella in this basket. The only maintenance required for this one is a minor readjustment every few weeks. I am going to put my extra vacuum bags in there because I'll need them shortly to pack away my winter clothes.
For the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. Lost outside of nowhere. A stormy rain tried to.
It is said that being an organized person isn't that easy, as you may wind up arranging a lot of organizing tools. These boxes for now will stay here till they come to use in some part of the home. Using these other dividers to hold knickknacks and sometimes even extra noodle packets. Did you watch the video where I prepared my own raita masala at home? I'm utilizing the same masala today to whip up a fast yogurt drink for myself. Gosh, that was so revitalizing after all that effort. Nowadays, I don't add ice because it isn't really hot here. Have you ever considered assembling your own furniture instead of taking external help? It may take a bit more time, but it makes a new product your own even before you start using it. My entryway had a gift package lying since yesterday, and my hands were itching to assemble it ASAP. I had been meaning to organize the study or workspace a little. Since we were spending more and more time over there, we felt the need of a good chair to better support our backs and hands. Thanks to Flexi Spot for kindly sending this office chair for us to try. And oh well, I am liking the design already. The wheels and all the other parts were quite well made and sturdy. It came with a well explained booklet that came super handy. Time to take it to its perfect spot. I was able to adjust the height of the seat very easily. Also, the handles are individually adjustable. It's important to angle your hands at a 90-degree when sitting at a desk for work in order to maximize comfort and prevent any posture issues. This was clearly solved over here. Neck support was also adjustable, and now SO and I take turns to swivel on this chair with our own separate height settings. Please find a special 20 euros discount code for yourself in the description box. Consider adding this gluten-free grain that promotes weight loss, controls blood sugar levels, and has so many other benefits to your diet. It is jowar or sorghum flour. I'm using it to make a delicious masala roti for breakfast this morning. Simply grating and chopping veggies like onion, carrots and zucchini. Add all the basic spices and cook it on a skillet by applying little water on it. I had read that adding water to the rotis as they cook on tawa makes them less dry and softer. But shredded vegetables already serve that purpose. As a result, eating foods like sorghum or jowar becomes much easier because you hardly realize how dry they are.
I can do an imitation of a man who's feeling good. I can talk a lot like someone who's not misunderstood. I can go to all the places where the happy people stay. But without you here beside me, I'm an actor on the stage. There's a drunk in every graveyard, there's a ghost in every bar. I'm drinking in the moonlight, wondering where you are. Give me just a phone call, let me know that you're okay. I see the curtain coming down for an actor on the stage.
Finally, add a tiny bit of ghee while serving because it really aids in assimilation. Please share any additional similar recipes you may have in the comment section.
Well, you got your explanations that I don't understand. I once believed in magic, but now I know it's sleight of hand. The things we say just float away, they're not words on a page. You're living in a storybook.
Vacuum bags have long existed, yet we frequently disregard their importance. Only while packing clothes do they come into play. In my opinion, they're really helpful when trying to store extra cushions. This keeps the cushions away from the main area, doesn't take up much room, and most importantly prevents dust accumulation when not in use. I also do this with the guest pillows I keep on hand for when visitors arrive at my house.
Oh, and it thrills me, and it kills me inside. You know I still got your picture, but it's hard to take a look. It's in between the pages of my old favorite book. I used to know most every word. Now it's
More than 50% of you chose stainless steel cookware as your preferred option to use at home in a recent poll that I shared on my YouTube channel. I thought maybe this trick would be interesting to share. Stainless steel of any said quality tends to develop colorful rings and patterns on it every once in a while. And the best solution I found was to use vinegar with water. Boil it for a minute and then wash it away. Easy peasy. Although stainless steel has its own unique set of challenges, including the one I just mentioned, it's undoubtedly more cost and maintenance effective. In my previous video, I've also discussed a tip for keeping food from sticking to the stainless steel pan surfaces. Being organized isn't about getting rid of everything you own or trying to become a different person. It's about living the way you want to live, but better. Whatever effort we make to establish order improves the quality of our lives. Hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Stay happy, stay positive, and stay organized. Thanks for watching and staying till the end. Here's Home Gupshup signing off. See you all next week.